Hello, my name is Karina Finke and I will show you my first part of the assignment. It's to build a database connection. So first of all we had to create a user account. This is my user account that I have created with all 5 global privileges. Also we had to create in clients over creating never mind. So I have created the user account and I connected it here. So I created the library folder and created here connections PHP file, and so if we will run this file it should work. Loading. So we have a blank page, so that means that connection works. Now we will come back. Also I created a folder for having the error message in the view folder, 500 PHP file. So if in the connection I will break the database name, for example, I'll save it and we'll run again connection PHP file. Something went wrong. Oh, okay, I guess I don't. Okay, we had to. If we will run this. Okay, so I guess I had to run this one. If I'm wrong, sorry. It shows me the error message. So it works. I guess that's all for the first part of this video. Thanks for watching.